If you've ever dreamed of earning money effortlessly while you sleep, you're in the right place. We'll explore 7 passive income streams that you can set up quickly, allowing you to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. From investing in dividend stocks to creating digital products, these strategies are designed to fit into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, our engaging and informative approach will provide you with actionable insights. So, get ready to discover how you can start building your financial freedom today and unlock the potential of earning money while you relax. Let's jump right in. Stream 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. The process is simple. You sign up for an affiliate program, receive a unique link, and share it with your audience. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn money. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Share A Sale, and ClickBank, offering a wide range of products to promote. To maximize your success, choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise is crucial. This not only makes it easier to create authentic content, but also helps you connect with your audience. By focusing on what you love, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Stream 2. Print on demand. Print on demand is an exciting and creative way to generate passive income by designing custom merchandise without the hassle of inventory. With print-on-demand services, you can create unique products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases that are printed only when someone makes a purchase. This means you don't have to worry about upfront costs or unsold stock. Platforms like Teespring and Redbubble make it incredibly easy to set up your online store and start selling your designs. Whether you're an experienced designer or just someone with a creative flair, this is a fantastic opportunity to showcase your talent. By leveraging your design skills, you can create eye-catching products that resonate with your audience, turning your creativity into a steady stream of income. Stream 3. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a powerful way to generate passive income while sharing your knowledge with others. With the growing demand for online learning and skill development, now is the perfect time to tap into this lucrative market. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to design, host, and sell your courses, allowing you to reach a global audience. Whether you're an expert in photography, coding, or personal finance, there's a niche for you. By sharing your expertise in a specific area, you not only help others learn, but also establish yourself as an authority in your field. Once your course is created, it can continue to generate income with minimal ongoing effort, making it an ideal passive income stream for anyone looking to monetize their skills. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting an online course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. There is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue. Stream 4. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a smart way to generate passive income while building wealth over time. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments. This not only provides a steady income stream, but also allows you to benefit from potential stock price appreciation. When researching dividend-paying companies, look for those with a strong track record of consistent payments and solid financial health. Pay attention to metrics like the dividend yield and payout ratio to gauge reliability. It's also wise to diversify your investments across different sectors to minimize risk. By adopting a long-term investment strategy, you can enjoy the benefits of compounding returns, making dividend stocks a powerful addition to your passive income portfolio. Stream 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is an innovative and accessible investment option that allows you to invest in real estate without the need for substantial capital. Through crowdfunding platforms, you can make fractional investments in various properties, enabling you to diversify your portfolio without the burden of direct ownership. Popular platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it easy to get started, offering a range of investment opportunities from residential to commercial properties. One of the key benefits of real estate crowdfunding is the potential to earn rental income without the hassles of property management. You can enjoy the financial rewards of real estate investing while leaving the day-to-day operations to the professionals. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to generate passive income with minimal involvement. Stream 6. Creating a blog. Starting a blog is a fantastic way to generate passive income while sharing your passions and expertise with the world. The first step is to set up your blog by choosing a niche that resonates with you and has an audience. This could be anything from travel and food to personal finance or wellness. Once your blog is established, you can explore various monetization options, such as displaying ads, writing sponsored posts, or incorporating affiliate links to earn commissions on products you recommend. Consistency in content creation is key to building an engaged audience and driving traffic to your blog. By regularly publishing valuable content, you can establish authority in your niche and create multiple income streams over time. With dedication and creativity, your blog can become a rewarding source of passive income. Stream 7. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is an exciting way to generate passive income while sharing your interests with a global audience. By producing engaging videos, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once your channel meets certain criteria, you can monetize your content with ads, allowing you to earn money based on views. Additionally, partnering with brands for sponsorships and promoting products through affiliate links can further boost your income. It's essential to focus on a niche you are passionate about, as this will keep you motivated and help you connect with like-minded viewers. Remember, the key to success lies in creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. As your channel grows, so will your potential for passive income, making it a rewarding venture. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.